Had this mower for nearly 10 years now. Today's August 23rd, 2025. Let me show you the problem with it now. I can't get it to work. This light here is not even flashing. The battery I just put in, I have a bigger battery here that's charging. So I turned the mower, over. I need two hands to do it. Really, nothing wrong is with it, from what I see. Blade still turned just fine. Tried clearing some grass out of here, but still it would not go. Cleared a bit of grass out of here, I don't need all of it, but this is some of the falls of an electric lawnmower. Is when it stops working, you gotta take it in or just get a whole new one. So now I'm gonna have to use my neighbor's. So I'm gonna cut back to where I was before it just stopped working. You see any difference now? Right around here, the motor just quit. See, this is where it was cut. This is all I still have left to do. See how much taller this is compared to this? And then the motor just decides to quit. Yeah, I have to get all of this. And this also. And also needed to get this area. So help, please.